How to compress PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so you have got a PDF file that's like ridiculously huge, slow to send, it's up the stories, the whole deal. Don't worry, the Adobe Acrobat got your back. Let's take it down. First things first, open your PDF. I already have opened mine. Now what you have to do in order to compress PDF that you have is simply go to top left corner menus. You can see 4 menus over here. Among them, tap on convert, which is right over on the third. Tap on it. Now what you have to do is simply scroll down, and under other option you can see an option for compress a PDF. Simply tap on it. It will start compressing your PDF. So easy, right? However, I'll not be able to show you the process of compressing a PDF because I'm using a free version of Adobe Acrobat. However, if you are the premium user, you will be very easily able to compress your PDF. After compressing your PDF is completed, remember to see the MB or the size of your PDF to know if it have really compressed your PDF or not. After that, you can download the PDF to your computer or a PC or mobile by tapping on the save button over here, and you can even share to your friends and family by tapping on share button over here. And that's it. Super simple, right? You have successfully compressed your PDF. As I said earlier, you can now email it, upload it, whatever you need to do. Let your computer breathe a sigh of relief. Any question, drop them in the comments below. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.